खान साहब बाइट. Good evening to all of you and many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be both awarded Mr. Yash Chopra Memorial Award?
Extremely undeserving, but it's. I'm just happy that somebody somewhere, Reddy Saab, Rekha ji, Prima aunty, and the whole team, the Ranjans, they think I'm good enough to be a part of this amazingly august team of people who won before me.
Ma'am will be presenting the award. How does it feel to be?
Ma'am always presents me the award. So it's a thing between us. Whenever I get the best award in my life, I take it from ma'am.
Ma'am, would you like to say something?
Shahrukh, how special is it considering you are in association with Yash Ji?
I think the reason for this is the genuinely a very gracious, wonderful and fantastic feel that the whole family has given me over the years. So that must be the only reason. It can't be my talent. So it feels very special to be here for Yash Chopra ji's National Memorial Award, and I thank all of them, Subir Reddy, Rahim Saab, and everybody who was involved in this.
Shahrukh, work with memorable movies. What is the one thing that you admire in
I think he was just very basic and very simple. I think he never allowed the craft to take over his art, and he made films from the heart. And he treated, he's a very simple man. And even now, when I'm working with other directors, we speak about an hour about the film that I'm doing with them. An hour about, you want me to take that? Yeah, I can. It's your boyfriend. You know, I'm getting very angry. So, but I talk about SG more with my directors than the film that I'm doing with them. So it just is. It's been an amazing relationship. To be honest. Yeah.
Shahrukh, is there something that we
starting all the functions.
can learn from? I mean, of course, there's a lot of things, but something which you think is missing in today's directors which Yash Ji had when you work with contemporary films?
Wrong for me to say that. Whoever is making films, I think they all make it with a good heart. And if they want to learn something from someone, they should go ahead and learn it. But I can't be the one suggesting that, to be honest.
Shahrukh, the CBFC has recently raised objection for the movie Lipstick Under My Burqa.
And you can ask me about the politics in UP also after this, right?
No,
I'm surely going to comment on this. Yeah.
Shahrukh,
I have no idea. I'm on holidays for the last 2
we've
days.
heard that you've turned down the script of Mr. Bhansali, which was supposed to star you and Kangana.
You should tell me who told you that.
We just read it online.
And don't believe what you read online.
Okay, when do we see you guys coming? After
I have no idea. There's no discussion on a film right now.
शाहरुख कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट है ये आपके लिए आपने यश जी के साथ में इतना काम किया तो कितना इमोशनल
Actually, it's very personal for me. I don't think I'll be able to express it, how emotional this is. It's a very personal moment for me to, have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot of his last film. It's very emotional for me. I don't think Yash Ji can be compared with anyone to say that set him apart or not. I'm too young, I'm too small to comment on what set him apart. I think he was just unique in his own way, and like I said, wonderfully honest, earnest, straightforward, and very basic, very simple. I think the simplicity makes him extremely special.
But any movie which is very close to your heart of his, any movie of his which is very close
All
to
of
your
them.
heart.
I mean,
Any one if you can pick up. I'm sure it would be difficult, but
there's so many. I'm making one now, Ittifaq. I like that film of his. Work, very beautiful. And amongst my own, I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan, because that was the last film we did together.
any of his movies which you would like.
जिस तरह यशराज की पिक्चरें बनाते थे कॉमेडी ड्रामा उनकी एक मूवी को उनके नक्शे कदम पे आजकल करण जोहर चल रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं लगता मतलब उनकी मूवी की कमियां पूरी कर रहे हैं जैसे करण जी पिक्चरें बनाते हैं आजकल उनकी तरह मतलब ऐसा लगता है आपको?
नहीं, I I don't think यश चोपड़ा जी की तरह कोई भी फिल्म
आपकी और सोनम की पिक देखा फ्लाइट की तो काफी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग रही। तो क्या आप और सोनम फ्यूचर में काम करोगे साथ में?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मे बी
अब मैं जिस हीरोइन के साथ फ्लाइट में जाऊंगा उसके साथ काम कर लूंगा मैं।
इत्तेफाक में भी काम कर सकते
सिन्हा है और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा है और अक्षय खन्ना है। बट आप कहोगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लेन में मिलूंगा तो 100%
I mean, is it occurred to you anytime that you would like
I wanted to do the film. I wanted to do the film when I heard the script, but dates, other films, no, I can't. But the team right now who's doing it is very good also.
Thank you.
थोड़ा भी सब वेट कर रहा है जाना है वेट
खान साहब विजुअल
Take.